Yo, what is happening guys? Vimal here, back with a new video, and today I got my hands on a special package from Lava. Check it out. On my desk I have a big black box from Lava that says Amoled 2 on the front, and if you're wondering what this is, well, it's a brand new smartphone from the company. Let me just power it on and show you what happens when you toggle this power switch to the right. Bam! There you go, it's got like backlit LED lighting and illuminates the Amoled 2 branding over here. Very funky, I would say. Lava definitely does something extra with their packaging every time with their new phone launches, and I really like that. Anyways, without wasting any more time, let's actually open this package and get our hands on the main phone we've been waiting for. So this is their Blaze Amoled 2, which they've launched recently in Indian market, and let me tell you my friends, this phone actually packs like quite interesting features at a very affordable price tag. A lot of people keep looking to buy like smartphones with AMOLED display, 5G and plenty of other stuff at reasonable price point, maybe around say 10 to 12 13,000, somewhere around that price point, right? You people came to the right video. This one actually has some interesting features. Going to the back side here, you can check out all the specs and stuff. It packs a 6.67 inches full HD plus AMOLED display powered by Dimensity 7060 octa-core chipset, not to miss out other stuff as well, like a 50 megapixel Sony sensor camera and plenty of other stuff. We'll talk about all of these features once we get started with the unboxing. So let me actually unbox it and show you the box contents. This phone is available in two different colors. You get midnight black, feather white is also there. We have the white edition. So you get an accessory packet over here which includes a freebie case guys, and this is a transparent clear case, silicone case, good quality case is what I can say. And here's the phone we've been waiting for. There's also some paperwork regarding the service and other stuff. Just make sure to read that. And finally boys, here's our brand new Blaze Amoled 2 phone we've been waiting for in our hands. And oh wow, check it out guys. Very beautiful looking phone, right? We'll just come back to the phone in a moment. Along with that, you're also getting a 33 watt fast charger. A Type-C cable is also included and a SIM ejection tool. That is pretty much it. These are all the items you got in the package. Now let's have a close eye look at the smartphone, and first of all, let me tell you about the whole design, build quality and also features. As soon as you pick it up, right, you'll definitely tell it's a beautiful looking phone for the price point. Let me give you like a complete physical overview and talk about the features and highlights. On the front, as I've told you, phone packs like a 6.67 inches, 120 Hz full HD plus AMOLED display, and screen guard is also pre-applied from the factory. At the top side, you're getting a 8 megapixel selfie camera, and that is pretty much it. Going to the side profile, starting off from the right, here you're getting a volume rocker and a power button just below that, and quality of the buttons is also nice, feel tactile and clicky. And if you ask about the fingerprint reader, you're getting in-display fingerprint reader on this model along with face unlock. At the top side here, you can check out a secondary noise cancelling mic is there, secondary speaker is also available, and an IR blaster at this price point. There is nothing on the left profile guys, rest of the ports are present on the bottom, which includes a down-firing speaker, USB-C port at the center, primary microphone, and this one is your SIM card tray which supports 5G nano SIMs. So that's it, our complete overview, and here's how the back profile looks like. Blaze Amoled 2 in feather white edition. You've got the Lava branding, and I'm not sure if you can check out the whole design in the video, right? But the back panel has beautiful feather sort of patterns that glow when sun or any sort of light falls on it guys. Definitely has a beautiful and premium sort of look and feel for the price point. And check out the camera area as well guys. Minimal camera bump, love the linear design. You do have two camera cutouts, but you're only getting like a primary 50 megapixel camera with a Sony IMX752 sensor. Other one is just like a depth sensing camera guys. That is pretty much it. So that's it, our complete overview on the phone. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. So boys, our phone is all set up and I'm back to continue the video, and today in this video I'll be sharing lots of useful information. Make sure to watch it till the end and do not skip any part. So first thing you'll notice as soon as you pick it up, right, the whole design guys. I've told you, right, Lava has gone for a linear design and offers like one of the slimmest category phones in its segment for the price that you're paying. Check it out. Thickness of this phone is only around like 7.5 mm and hardly weighs around like 174 grams. On top of that, you're also getting like rounded corners and edges, right? Phone feels quite comfortable when you pick it up and hold it in your hand. We'll come and talk about the overall display quality in a moment, but before that, right, let me first show you how the fingerprint reader performs on this thing. I've told you at the beginning only, you're getting an in-display fingerprint reader, face unlock option is also there, and fingerprint reader was doing a good job, was easily recognizing and unlocking the phone most of the time guys. I had no sort of issues with this thing. If you ask about the display, I've already told you, you're getting a beautiful 120 Hz AMOLED display, and check out the bezels as well. I'm actually quite surprised by how thin the bezels on this phone are, not just on the sides but on the bottom also, right? Quite reasonable chin, guys, especially considering it's an affordable category phone. Again, as I've told you, Lava offers like a clean and stock Android operating system, guys. Phone comes with Android version 15 out of the box, and you're getting a very clean and minimal looking UI. No ads, no bloatwares, no unnecessary apps installed, nothing like that. And I definitely appreciate this gesture from the company. In the display section, right, you can access plenty of things. You can adjust the refresh rate. Max you can go is up to like 120 Hz. A couple of display options are also there, like color temperature, balance adjustment, and apart from that, adaptive brightness is also there. Just have a look at these settings. Going to the about phone section, here you can check out the software details. Phone comes with Android version 15, but nothing to worry. Lava has said that this phone will come with like one guaranteed Android OS upgrade in the future and offers like 2 years of security updates. So this is the kind of information I've been given. And talking about the storage, well, this is a 128 GB model. So out of the box, I believe you're getting around like 104, 105 GB of free space, which is like plenty for day-to-day sort of usage, guys. Nothing to worry about that. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play some videos over here, just sit back, relax, and check out these video clips, guys, and then we'll talk about the display and built-in speakers quality. At the beginning only, I've told you, right, the phone comes with a 6.67 inches full HD plus resolution 120 Hz AMOLED display, and I have to mention this is one of the finest displays you can actually get on a phone around this price point. Lava has not compromised anywhere, guys. Either it be the refresh rate or the quality of the panel. There is excellent amount of detail. All the text is easily readable, crisp and clear detail is what I can say. Contrast ratio is also nice. AMOLED display, right? True blacks you can expect, that too with like nearly infinite contrast ratio. Colors were also very nice. The color accuracy, color reproduction, everything was on point thanks to that AMOLED panel. And main highlight not to forget is you're getting like a really high refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. So that gives you like a very fluid transitions and experience while using the phone. If you ask about the built-in speakers quality, I have told you, right, you're getting like stereo speakers, one at the bottom, one at the top, and stereo speaker performance was also very nice. Crisp and clear dialogues, everything was like easily understandable, and also output was also like mad loud for this price point. It's total entertainment package at this price point. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the overall performance, right? So first of all, let me tell you about the hardware configuration. This phone is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 7060 octa-core chipset, and on board you're getting 6 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM, virtually expandable as well up to another 6 GB. Totally you can expect around like 12 gigs of RAM. Pair that with 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, and for this price point, right, I think pretty decent hardware Lava is offering, guys. See, if you're a guy using this phone mainly for like office related work or maybe like entertainment or media consumption at this price point, right, you'll be like plenty happy and satisfied with the overall performance. I've been testing the phone for quite some time, right? Like overall day-to-day usage, home screen experience, app opening, closing, transition, everything feels smooth. Pair that with a 120 Hz display, I mean, check out the overall fluidic experience over here, guys. But if you're a heavy user and you have a lot of apps running in the background, there you might feel slight a bit of lag or stutters once in a while. If you ask about the gaming performance, first of all, let me tell you, this is not a detailed review, guys. It's only like an unboxing and initial impressions sort of video. I'll be using this phone for a couple of days, and later I'll make a separate video. In that video, I'll be talking about the overall benchmarks, performance. We'll also play some games as well and see how does this phone handle gaming as well. So you'll have to stay tuned for that. Anyways, before we end the video, let me also quickly talk about the camera, show you the camera app and also some samples as well. On board, you're getting a 50 megapixel Sony IMX752 primary camera. Secondary one is a basic depth sensor, guys. So I've shot some picture samples in different scenarios on both the front and the rear camera as well. Just have a look at these picture samples. You'll get an idea on the overall camera quality. Well, that is pretty much it, guys. Time to wrap it up. As I've told you at the beginning, that was our unboxing and initial impression sort of video. So I'll be using this phone for a couple of days starting today, and we'll do variety of testings. We'll include like benchmarks, gaming tests and everything. You'll have to stay tuned for the review part, guys. We'll be dropping soon. Apart from these, if you have any other questions as well, just let me know in the comment section down below. I'll definitely try to cover them in the review video part. Talking about the pricing details, this phone will go on sale for roughly around like 13,499 rupees, and that too, this is like an introductory price offer, guys. So make sure you can grab the phone within this period only. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got all the information you're looking for. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.